Hey guys, welcome to our Air B&B. Come on in. We got a couple dogs here, as you can see. That's Sophie and Quinn. So this is it. This is a bungalow here in Albuquerque, New Mexico. And our dogs get excited whenever we film. But this place was built in the 40s. Super cool little bungalow. It's like 750 square feet. Perfect for like a week stay for a couple people. You can see it's got a nice little living room. And it's got TV. And of course we got Better Call Saul right here, ready to go since we're in Albuquerque. We're Breaking Bad. Let me take you into the first bedroom. Come on in. So this is the master. It's got a nice carpet, a super tall bed, a little too tall for me. The dogs couldn't even get on it, which was kind of nice. Ceiling fans, which we didn't need because it's been so cold. It actually snowed yesterday here in Albuquerque. But it's got an alarm clock, it's got lights, a really nice dresser, so if you have a lot of stuff, there's this huge, really cool wooden dresser. We got small closets, but it does have closets. It was built in the 40s, like I said. I think everybody was smaller in the 40s. So there you go. Let me show you the rest of the place. It's got central air and heat, the heat was great while we were here. So one of the really cool details that they left here was this exposed brick. I think it's so cool. Where we're from in Southern California, if you see exposed brick, it's fake. But this is the real deal. I thought that was really cool that they did that. There's all sorts of like kind of indigenous art here on the walls as well. So we've got this small pantry here, which was fine. She's got it pretty well stocked. There's, all the basics you really need, which was cool. Really well thought out. Airbnb for sure, one of the best that we've been in by far. The kitchen is absolutely beautiful, open cabinetry style, so you've got all your dishes and plates and pans and all that kind of stuff. I mean, there's everything you really need. So one of the things I really didn't like about the place actually was that it's an electric stovetop, not the end of the world, but they're a little harder to cook on, so I wasn't as keen on that, but what are you gonna do? Nice 4-person table. Some of the Airbnbs we've stayed at only have like a 2-spot, which since we're working on this trip, we set up our laptops kind of at one station, and then we were still able to sit down and have a meal together at the table on like the other 2 seats, which was really, really nice. Full-size fridge, microwave. Didn't have a toaster though. Kind of weird that no toaster, but what are you gonna do? Okay, let's check out the bathroom. I thought this was really cool how they did this. I never take a bath anyway, so they redid the whole bathroom to have a giant shower. Come on in. Look at this thing. It's like a Vegas shower. Seriously, it's huge. This is how I shower. But really nice. There's even a step in there. The whole place it looked like kind of like handicap accessible. Like there's ramps up into the house and stuff. And then in here there is a seat in the shower, which was a nice touch. Inside the toilet room, if you will, there's also a washer and dryer. So the washer and dryer is really, really small. It's like an apartment style one, but it was really cool to have it, especially when we didn't bring that many warm clothes because most of our trip is going to be in hotter weather. We did a lot of laundry while we were here, but over top and under, top over under, whatever, washer dryer. That's almost everything, but there is one more bedroom. Let's go take a look at that. So here's the second bedroom. This one is small, but we used it as a stuff room. We just put our bags in here, we threw them right on the bed. It was nice to have all of our stuff that we weren't using just kind of in here, and then the rest of the place stayed a lot more organized while we were here. But it is nice. It's a queen, maybe a full-size bed in here. I don't know if there's a queen, but a full-size bed, which was great for our suitcases. They were very comfortable the entire time. So lastly, since we have dogs, this was their favorite part, is we had a backyard. Check it out. Super cool little backyard. It's all like gravel. You can tell they have planters and stuff for maybe when it's summertime and things can grow a little bit more, but really cool to be able to have the dogs come out here and be able to walk around and stuff. And it did get a little bit of snow the other day, like I said, and it was all scattered out. It was really pretty and stuff, but low walls, but no probs at all. Great little seating area over here. Even came with a random SpongeBob. So that's our Airbnb. We really loved staying here. We were here for a week. If you guys are interested in staying here or at any Airbnb, go ahead and click the link in the description. It'll save you a little bit of cash and it also helps us out a bit with the channel. We'll leave a link to the exact Airbnb as well if you guys want to stay in this exact one. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.